Some habits, such as exercising and meditating, have a positive impact, not only on our body's health, but also on our mental health. But just like you might imagine, the opposite is also true. And worst of all, many habits that can be bad for our health are not always so obvious. In today's video, we'll show you some of these seemingly harmless habits that may be hurting you even though you don't know it. Using a hand dryer. These dryers emerged a few years ago as an environmentally friendly alternative for drying our hands. The not-so-good part is that some studies have shown that these dryers can even blow fecal coliforms back onto our hands. Many types of bacteria can end up inside these dryers and can be blown right back onto your hands. Putting your wallet in your back pocket. The back pocket of the pants looks like the perfect place to store your wallet, but it may not be good for your spine. When we sit with our wallet in our back pocket, the extra volume can leave our buttocks unequal. This can have a direct impact on our hips, causing pain in that region and also in the lower back and shoulders. Holding in a sneeze. When that uncontrollable desire to sneeze arises, depending on the situation and the location, many people try to hold it in so as not to attract attention to themselves. The problem is that when we pinch our nose to do this, the pressure generated by the sneeze doesn't come out through the nose. The result? The pressure may come back and cause damage to the ears and, in rare cases, rupture blood vessels in the chest, throat, eyes, and brain. Washing your hands in hot water. To avoid dryness, our skin naturally produces an oil, which is also present in our hands. Just as a very hot bath is bad for your skin, washing your hands with warmer water can increase dryness and even cause irritation. The water at high temperatures also removes good bacteria from the skin, opening the doors to the harmful ones. Eating out frequently. With our run-of-the-mill lifestyle and so many options, it's getting more and more inviting to eat out. Something that seems harmless can, in fact, be quite harmful to your health. At least that's what some studies indicate. People who eat a lot of fast food have high levels of phthalates, which are linked to hormone disruption, reproductive problems, sperm reduction, and even low IQ in children. Putting your purse on the table. Women can't live without their purse around, can they? What many women don't know is that their purse may actually have more bacteria than a toilet seat. When you put a purse on the table, you end up leaving bacteria in the same place that you work, eat, and even where your children play. Not washing your face before bed. If you think about washing your face during the day, you may want to do it at night. Although it is a common habit for many, most don't do it. When you wash your face at night, it's as if you're cleaning your entire day off your face, and with it, all the dust, dirt, pollution, and makeup that are there. Thawing food at room temperature. When we thaw food slowly and at room temperature, we are actually allowing the bacteria that were in the food before they were frozen to proliferate easily. It's simple to prevent this from occurring. Thaw food either in the refrigerator or in ice water. Holding in gas. Although necessary and beneficial to our health, passing gas will hardly be seen as a good habit. But if you ever had to hold one in, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Some studies point out that holding in gas can cause swelling, indigestion, and heartburn, and may even increase blood pressure and heart rate. If you notice that you're unusually gassy, try chewing the food more before swallowing, and avoid certain foods that are known to contribute to gas, such as beans. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.